next to me.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So for today's video, it's gonna be a video that I have been wanting to do for a long time and now I'm finally doing it. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a DIY, fun, easy ways to like relax, have a fun spa night, you know? Cause I know that school has started for a whole bunch of you guys and you guys have probably been like, been going like crazy, you know, with so many assignments, tests, and quizzes and such. So I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys these fun little tips and tricks to get you more calm, de-stressed. So without further ado, let's jump in right into this video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I suggest you guys do is set the mood. And when I mean set the mood, I mean lighting some candles, adding a few decorations, just so you have a nice fun environment to let go of everything, let go of all your stress. Make sure you guys also have some nice calm music. So I just went to Apple Music and I just searched up a calm music like playlist and such. So I just scrolled down, found my music and played that, and seriously guys, this like music was so relaxing, like it was just crazy. Alright guys, the next thing that I recommend that you guys do is apply a face mask. Face masks are just so fun. They like calm your face, open up your pores, clean your face, detox it or whatever, and I don't know, I just love face masks. And the one that we used in today's video was the avocado jelly mask. To be honest, it kind of burns my face a little bit, but seriously guys, it is so worth it. Okay guys, so the next thing that I recommend for you guys is having some sort of movie and snack with you, just so you can have something to snack on while you like relax in the bathtub. So we just went and got some grapes. Grapes are like really refreshing and just a fun little snack.
It's in the kitchen. Thank you so much.
See, makeup sex, it works.
Okay, but I think you have to fight first.
You want to fight because we can.
Alright guys, so now moving into one of my favorite DIYs ever. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this fun coffee scrub to kind of like scrub away your dead skin. So the first thing that you're going to need is just some sort of bowl to like mix everything in, and then some extra virgin olive oil. This stuff is just going to make your skin super duper soft. You are also going to need some brown sugar. I know it looks white on camera, but I promise it's brown sugar. And then also some coffee. So I forgot to show you guys, but you're also going to need some coconut oil. This stuff is also going to like soothe your skin and make it super duper soft. So the first thing that you are going to want to do is apply and pour, why did I say apply? I'm so weird, but pour the olive oil into the small like little bowl, you know. I kind of just eyeballed everything, you know, just because I thought everything was just self-explanatory. Next you are going to want to apply your brown sugar into the bowl. Just dump all of it, like seriously guys, look how big of a mess I'm making right now. Oh my gosh. Then go and dump in your coconut oil and then just start mixing that all together. So as you're mixing that all together, make sure you guys also add the coffee in. This is just gonna make you smell like coffee. I don't know, I like the smell of coffee. I don't know, I just think it's amazing. So I decided to add that, but you could also add some essential oils if you guys want. So this is what it should look like once it's done. Kind of looks gross, but guys, I promise this is like the best thing ever. So I'm just taking a little bit of that and then just applying it to my skin. And guys, like I said before, this is going to make your skin super duper soft.
To me.
video was so much fun to film. Like seriously, I don't know, like I'm jealous. I want to film videos like this like every single time just because, I don't know, I get to like be in a bathtub, you know, and just like relax. So yeah, so I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye!